Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make my ultimate favorite Monte Cristo sliders. And you guys, these are amazingly delicious. It is sweet, it is salty. So if you guys want to know how to make this, stay tuned. I'll show you guys how to make it. And also, if you guys are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. And if you guys like this video, please consider giving it a big thumbs up. So if you guys are ready, let's get cooking. Make sure to preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and then here I have dinner rolls, and then I'm just going to remove the top half, which I already cut it lengthwise. Just gonna remove this to the side, and then I'm just going to start placing my ham just on the first layer, and then I am going to overlap them. And then I'm going to do the same thing with the turkey. Depending on how much meat you like. For me, I love a lot of meat, so I did use quite a bit. But you do with what you like. Okay. Once the meat is all nice and piled up, I'm going to add some of my yellow mustard. I'm just going to drizzle it right on top, and depending on how much you guys like it. And then I'm going to go in with my Swiss cheese. I'm just going to layer them, and I am using 6 of them. You can use more if you wish. And then I'm going to go in with my provolone cheese, just right on top. And I am using 8 of this. And then once that's done, I'm going to grab my jam, and I'm just going to put about a doll of strawberry jam just right on top of the provolone, and you can go as much or as little as you like. And I'm just going to just put them all around. It's not really a certain area I'm putting them. If you don't want to do it this way, you can go ahead and just spread them too. That's fine. One more right over here. Doesn't want to come out. There we go. Okay, and then I'm going to bring in my top half. I'm just going to slather it right on top. And then with melted butter, I'm just going to go in and just spread it right on top. And then don't forget about the edges too. Okay, this is ready to go into the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until the cheese is nice and melted and then the top is nice and golden brown. Once it comes out of the oven, you just want to dust it with some powdered sugar. Here is the end result and the best part, the taste test. Now let's dig right on in and see how it is, you guys. Alright, you guys, you see that? All nice and gooey. Yummy. Alright, it is kind of hot, so let's go in. Alright, here we go. Cheers. Mmm. Mmm. OMG, you guys. It is super duper delicious. If you guys never had this before, you definitely gotta give this a try. It is sweet, it is salty, it is just perfect. So if you guys want to learn how to make this, I do have the measurements in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.